Hi everyone! We are thrilled to give you a sneak peek at what we've been building at BootUp. We're launching a brand new ELA and computer science inferencing integration curriculum for grades 3 through 5th, and we think it's going to change how elementary students learn to think logically. At BootUp, we invest in educators with tools that transform classrooms. We know two big challenges exist in elementary classrooms today. First, most schools teach computer science in isolation, missing the chance to reinforce core academic skills. Second, many elementary teachers struggle to help students master the skill of making logical inferences and citing text evidence. It's tough. But what if we told you one powerful solution could address both? We've developed 3 lessons that do exactly that, expanding opportunity for every student in grades 3 through 5th. Here's how it works. We know teachers are already doing incredible work, but we're navigating 2 challenges. In ELA, helping students cite text evidence and make logical inferences. In computer science, making if-then conditionals feel relevant and concrete. At BootUp, we believe teachers lead the way. That's why we create integrated curriculum that makes your job easier, not harder. One solution, both problems solved. Our approach uses if-then logic, the same framework for both reading inference and coding conditionals. Here's the structure. If a character takes an action, what happened in the story, then we can infer their motivation, that's your inference, because the story shows us specific details, that's your proof or text evidence. Students analyze character decisions in literature, then translate those decisions into Scratch code. The result? Both reading comprehension and computational thinking strengthen together. Let's see this in action with our grade 3 lesson. Students read A Chair for My Mother by Vera B. Williams. They analyze Rose's decisions to save coins in a jar every day. Using our planning sheet, students write their own inference. Then, they code this logic in Scratch. Students aren't just reading about perseverance, they're programming it. In grade 4, students level up to character trait analysis. They read character excerpts like Aladdin and the Farmer and the Stork and sort traits into categories. Is this character generous or selfish, brave or cautious? The twist? They cite text evidence for each trait, then use Scratch to sort traits into the correct categories using if-then logic. This lesson builds decomposition skills, breaking down complex characters into observable traits, and pattern recognition. By grade 5, students tackle sophisticated thinking using the story of the Water Princess. They analyze Gigi's internal struggles, decisions that aren't explicitly stated in the text. This requires deep inferencing. Students use Boolean logic and or not to make complex decisions. For example, if Gigi is tired and is still walking, then she must feel a responsibility to her family to get water. She does not want to give up. Students observe how and or change outcomes and connect conditions to justice. Changing conditions can change outcomes. Here's the impact we're seeing when teachers use this approach. Students' text citations become more precise because they need evidence to code the logic. Their understanding of cause and effect deepens because code either works or it doesn't. Their engagement skyrockets because they're proud to be both readers and programmers. Because we invest in educators, each lesson includes everything you need, and we mean everything. Complete slide decks, scaffolded planning sheets, visual anchor charts, pre-built Scratch projects, differentiated supports, and assessment rubrics that align to standards. No coding experience required. We walk you through each step. At BootUp, we believe opportunity starts early. That's why we're creating a curriculum that expands access to computer science for every student. These 3 lessons are coming soon. Follow BootUp PD for launch updates, or visit bootuppd.org to join hundreds of educators who are transforming their classrooms. Because when we invest in educators and strengthen communities, we expand opportunity for all. We teach code, but what we're really building is confidence, creativity, and community.